Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sambhu from Cloud Tech. Today I will talk about how we can create our in local some application by using AWS SAM module in CLI, and then how we can deploy that application to AWS, and if you want to run that particular application in your local, then how we can run that application. That part I will talk about today. Okay guys, so let's go to that. In my previous session I have already installed how we can install the SAM CLI. I have already demonstrated. So if you guys not yet watched that video, please have a look at. Okay, guys. So let's move on to that SAM CLI, that command line. Okay. So just go to here, and so what we need to do first, we need to create a SAM application. So how we can do SAM? Just type in it, then it will start initializing your application like basic, like you want to create your application by using AWS provider template, or you have your custom template in some location, that by using that also we can do. So today's demo, let's move on to the AWS provided template. Okay, and here we have like different kind of option, what kind of application you want to. Hello world with that Lambda, like you want to do that, or just one simple hello world example you want to do that. There are multiple template is available here as per your need, you can do that. So for this today demo, let's select the first one itself. Okay, and the other one is the use the most popular runtime packages. You want to use the most popular runtime packages, or you have your custom. This is like a Python. So I will recommend it, guys. This most popular runtime means which is inbuilt is coming, but that package might be you don't have in your local, right? So I will request, let's select that option. Let's select the no, then we'll get that all the option. Then from that option we can choose like which one I want to use in my runtime. Okay, guys. In my local I have already installed Python 3.10, so let's select the Python 3.10. Okay guys, so 20, and then how we want to take the zip or image. Let's select the zip one. And now another option is, would you like to enable X-ray tracing? Like this X-ray I didn't demonstrate anything about that, maybe in my subsequent video I will talk about X-ray. So for this today's session, let's select the no only. And would you like to integrate these two CloudWatch? If you want to integrate this thing in your CloudWatch, then you will get all the logs details on. So for this today's demo, let's will not use that also. And you would you like to log like a structure of login, right? How you want, like JSON format or some other Lambda format. Okay, so let's select that JSON format only. Yes. Okay, now what the project name you want to create, like a project name, like here the sample by default is given the SAM app, so we can select that also. Okay, so now our project is started initializing and it's created, and it is saying that we can like create pipeline cd SAM and SAM pipeline in bootstrap, or maybe SAM template, SAM validation, and there are multiple thing is there. Okay guys, and if you want you can invoke also. So before invoke, first what we need to do, we need to build this SAM project. So let's go to this SAM. Okay, and then SAM build this project first. Okay, so let us build. If you want you can validate also, SAM validate, this is the command. And now build is going on by using Python. I just now I told you, right, in my system I have the Python 10, so it is using that only, and it is in progress. So let us complete. So our build is successful, if you see here, right? And then we what after build complete, we can do SAM validation command you can use, or SAM local invoke also you can use, or maybe SAM deploy. We can deploy also. Deploy means it will deploy to our AWS. Okay guys, so first let us run this in our local. Okay, SAM invoke. Okay, let us try. So here it is you got it, because it is asking that invoke, and then we need to give this what the function name. So our function name, if you see here, right, when it is build, so hello world, right? So see SAM build succeeded, and this is our function name, right? So let us try that. the string, right? Let's put the double quote here, and then Sam locally require Docker. Have you got to install and running Docker? Okay, Docker is not running and install. So let us first start the Docker here. So okay, Docker I don't have here. So before that we need to install. This is also one valid point, guys. Keep in mind, Docker have also we need to install here. Docker Docker in Windows. Okay, install Docker. Docker desktop. Just quickly finish this download. Okay, I think I have already this download. Let us use that. It's not showing here. Okay, I will pause this video for some time. I will come back. Okay, guys. So meantime, let's complete this Docker. This is also one pre-request thing. I forget to mention this thing, guys. So keep in mind. Okay. Actually, I was having this Docker in my local. If you see, right, I just now I installed, right. To give the demo, I just uninstalled the Docker. So let us complete again. So it is going on. Meantime, what we can do, Docker Hub, we can log in here. I've already logged in here. You can use this cloud tag one only. So install download is completed. Let us install that. So installation is going on. Okay, I will pause this sometime for this Docker installation. Then I will back. Okay, okay, guys. So let's finish this Docker installation. Okay, guys. Docker Hub desktop installation is completed. Let's close this. Let us try that without login to the Docker desktop. It will work or not. No, still not working. So we have to log in the Docker. Okay. So, or maybe what we can do, let us first log in the Docker. Desktop. Use recommended. Finish. Yes. Searching Docker engine. Okay. So it is already logged in here as a cloud tech IND. Okay, guys. So let us try again. Let's open that CMD again. Let's go to that SAM application and SAM local is running here if you see, right. So now let's see. So it is started building that image. Okay guys, it will take few seconds. So let us complete this. Basically it is building the Docker image. Okay guys, so let's complete this. What is mounted, and now see we got the correct response. Our sample hello world response also we got. Okay guys, now we are able to see here, right? So if you want to start, right, I showed you there are multiple command here. We can utilize that SAM here. Deploy is there, delete init list, and then we can check that start API also we can check as a API, or start Lambda also we can check. I will show you that what all file basically it is created, that part also. Okay, so SAM use this start API also. Okay, so let us see. Now you guys can see the lambda is initializing here, so it will take few seconds to complete this lambda initialize. So now lambda initialization is done. Now our API response also came. So now API is running. So if you just hit this URL in this browser, then we could able to see our response like that hello world message. Let's see. Now we can able to see that response also as a hello world, right? So now our API also is working fine. So looks good. So now come here. So now it is running, right? And if you want to suppose now do that uh, what I can say list. Okay, so now terminate that whatever running that application, that REST API, right? I am going to terminate. So now I will show you that what all details is created basically. So let me show you that. So open the PyCharm. By using PyCharm also, whatever CLI you have created this project, right? By using PyCharm also you have created, since we have already installed the SAM, right? We can able to see here. So it is coming, it is loading basically. So now our application is there, and it's hello world, these are the apps, and what details is there. It's basically one lambda file. All the details is having here. Okay guys, so these are the thing, and if you want you can create from here also, like deploy this application to AWS. Okay, so let us try that. So what we are going to do, we are going to deploy this application. So to deploy that, let me show you that. Deploy and then guide GUI DB. Okay, spelling mistake. Sam deploy. Now our deployment is started, and it is asking what could be the stack name. So before that, let me show you that our stack, what we have in our stack in AWS. So let's go to here and go to this what I can say stack cloud formation. If you go to the cloud formation, we can see able to our stack here. So let us see here, only we have one default stack which is SAM CLI, but let us create our stack here. So let's move on to that and just keep the SAM uh, ST something like that. And which region, this is our Virginia region, so let's select default and confirm yes. And AWS CLI will create a IAM role. Yes, let us create the required permission. Disable rollback. No. If it is anything goes wrong, then everything should be rollback. Okay. So if you disable, then it won't be rollback. Okay. So let us disable. Hello world has no authentication. Is this okay? Yes. For now, there is no required authentication. Save the argument in file. Not required. Now looking resource first creating. Okay. So it started this one. So let us see. Now it started managing the bucket, initializing the deployment, stack name this one, and this is the thing, and this is the bucket name we are going to use, and waiting for the now it started. Do you want to deploy these changes? Now our the stack also came, right? Yes. So let us deploy meantime, and let's see here the stack what it is doing. So it is in create in progress. So let's go here, and if you go resource, so hello world, that first IAM route it started creating here. It will take couple of seconds to complete this. Once it is completed, right, we are able to see that. Let me show you that in the Lambda function. It will going to create one Lambda function also. So let's go here. Yeah, it started creating one Lambda function. So just wait for some time. It is in progress still. So what all thing is going to do? Let's complete all this thing. Then we are able to see. So event we can check that serverless REST API, and these are the thing is going on, right, one by one. So let's finish all this thing. So resource still it is now Lambda, it's completed, permission is completed, IAM role, API gateway, everything is completed, right? Looks like. So stack is completed. So let's go to the Lambda function, and we can see here Lambda function. So this Lambda function is nothing but whatever hello world we gave, right? Same Lambda function is deployed here. Let me show you that. And API gateway also it is attached here. And if you see here, right, whatever code we have seen in our local, same thing it is deployed here. And if you want to run here also, you can run, suppose test, okay, and then click on okay, and then run it. Now we can see here also hello world by using this API gateway also. And if you want to trigger from API gateway, that also you can do. This is our API gateway endpoint. So if we hit here, let us try. See here also we can see the hello world message. So API gateway endpoint also we could see here details which we have deployed through REST, start API REST, right? REST API in our local. Same thing it is deployed in this hello world in this AWS resource also. So this is how we can run the application locally, and if you want to deploy that application to AWS, we can deploy. And what suppose this application we are doing some development here, or maybe we are changing some message, right? Hello world. Suppose I am going to change here, say cloud tip, okay. Suppose I am going to change something code here, and then that code what we can do here, let me show you that. Sam, what we can do, like help, okay. So init is there, have that deploy is there, and then we have Sam, let me Sam build. Then we have to build this project again, whatever changes we have done. Now it's going on. So build is completed, and if you want to deploy again, so then Sam deploy G by DD guide. Then same step we have to follow. Whatever changes we have done, then that step, that same thing will deploy again in this AWS resource. Okay, guys. So this is how we can access our Lambda, and if anything goes wrong, then what we can do, we can check the logs also. For checking the logs, what we can do, let's go to that CloudWatch. Let's go to this CloudWatch, and let me show you that logs also here. Logs groups, and from the logs group we can able to see the logs also. Okay, guys. So let's go to here, and logs group is created, and if you come here, then we can check the logs details also, what is happening, all this thing. So if you go here, now it is see all this thing, right? All this thing, if any error or anything goes wrong, then we can see those messages here. Okay, guys. So this is how we can deploy, we can create, build, and we can work on this. Okay. And if you want to delete, if suppose all the resource at a time, whatever resource is created you want to delete, right, then if you just go to this tag and then delete this tag, then it will delete everything at a time, or in single shot it will delete everything. Suppose whatever stack having this, all this thing it will delete. Let me show you quickly that. Now our Lambda function also will be deleted. Let me just quickly show you that. Go to here, press. Now Lambda is deleted, right? And just see, but logs group will delete. I don't think so. It will delete it. This log group will not delete. It will be there remaining. We have to clean up this manually. These logs groups. It will be there. Okay, guys. But apart from log group, everything will be deleted. Lambda function is deleted. Everything is deleted. API gateway, all this thing will be deleted. Whatever thing is there, it will be deleted and deleted in progress. Okay, guys. So that's all about this SAM CLI. So I hope this session will helpful to you guys. And if you feel this video is valuable, I will request you guys, please subscribe my channel and share surrounding with your friend, so that will really inspire to me and that will really help to me. I will come another new video in my next subsequent video. Okay guys, chalo, see you. Bye.